Hi guys, welcome to the video. If you're new to this channel, welcome to Media Tech. If you're new, you might probably be wondering what I do on this channel. So I do unboxing, gadgets review, hardware and software review, including website review, how to for smartphone and internet. So if you are new, we are just getting started with this smartphone and internet interface. So consider subscribing to the channel. Just hit the subscribe button down below. I also make videos on cryptocurrencies. So and the touch of graphic design. If you want to continue watching topics and all videos on all the topics I mentioned earlier, just consider subscribing to the channel by clicking the subscribe button down below this video. Just check it out and hit that button. So from the channel, from the title of the video, you might have seen what I'm trying to do here. So I'm just for you to click the video, you are just interested in what I'm trying to do here. So I'm reviewing the generic earpod, so a clone of the Apple earpod. So people purchase it. I've seen it on a lot of people. So I just thought why not buy it and review it on the channel. So it's a clone actually. It's not the original Apple earpod. So it's the generic clone. So and I've seen a lot of people buying it. A lot of people on my DM saying, "Is this worth buying? Can they buy it? Will it last longer? Will it perform the function of Apple?" So if you are looking for a low budget Apple earpod, so might consider getting this. So I got this from Jumia. So uh, I actually broke the package. So when collecting the order, so as to be sure if I was delivered, which dry package was delivered. So the i12 TWS Apple AirPod. So I'll just be showing you guys right now. Uh, actually, this is the AirPod. The manual comes with it also, and the charger. So I'm going to be testing this out for a few days or weeks. So just stay tuned. So the manual is there. I'll test it out for a few days or weeks. So and I'll actually give it feedback after some days. Stay tuned. Oh, welcome to the video. Uh, you probably might have fast forwarded time or teleported to the future from the previous video I recorded when I got this earphone. So I've tested it out and it works really fine. It works great. The sound quality is good. The the build design is dope. It doesn't actually uh doesn't give you pain in the ear. It actually fits in your ear. Sit down, sits in your ear great. So another thing that I noticed about this, that is good about this airpod is actually the battery life. It actually works for 1 hour after it's recharged, so and that's really dope. So the case also serves as a power bank for battery for this airpod. So once you charge the case full, which takes about 45 minutes, and I recommend when you're charging this case, just drop the airpod cell. So the airpod actually charges with it also, but if you are actually using the airpod and just have to charge the case, it takes less than 5 minutes to charge the case. To charge the case fully. So this cord is actually fast. This USB cable that comes with it doesn't actually come to an adapter. So this so very it's using an iPhone charger. So you misplace this one and you're using an iPhone. It's great. Just connect it to an iPhone. So they actually said it connects with an iOS device. So I don't have an iOS device test it. So but my Android device works perfectly. It has an inbuilt microphone to receive calls. To as you can see, I'm using the inbuilt microphone right now to talk to the video, to talk in the video. So the sound quality is dope. What I said earlier. So with this case, it's not only for keeping it, it's actually for recharging it if there is a power outage. So once you want to recharge it, just drop it inside. Once you drop it inside, it disconnects from your video, from your mobile phone. It disconnects from mobile phone and it continues charging. As you can see, it displays the blue light right there and it continues charging. The red light there shows charging. So once you bring it out back, it connects to your device automatically. So mobile device automatically. So once you bring it out back, it connects to your device automatically. This case charges it for about charge it for about 3 to 4 times. So once the earpods run out of uh, power, just drop it into the case and charge it back. So the case also has a strong battery life. The input microphone is working fine. So uh, this uh, this earpod is just actually dope. It's dope for its price. It's a very very cheap price. Considering it's a clone, it works better than what I thought, than my expectations. So if you're considering getting an earpod and you don't have the money to buy the Apple earpod, so this generic i12 TWS is actually a good choice for you to have it. So I'll drop the link to get to the description. So this earpod, the control center of this earpod is the left one. So the left one actually pauses and plays music. Uh, the right one actually does that also, but this the left and right earpods actually have different functions. The tap on this play, this right here. Once the tap right here on this one, it rewinds the music. It's backwards. It returns the music to the previous one you played. So once you tap it right, it next to the music. So tapping this left earpod twice will reduce the volume of the music you're listening to, and tapping it twice will increase the volume. And you can also power the earpods, or you can power it over by just long pressing on the side, this place. You long press on this place and it powers up the earpod. So overall, I give it a 9 out of 10. I can actually decide to give it a 10/10. So let me decide what to give it. A 9.8 out of 10. I don't want to give all my marks. I'll give it a 9.8 out of 10. It's actually worked better than the price. It worked better than my expectations. So overall, the build quality is great. Uh, the quality is great. Yeah, the design is also dope. Considering it doesn't give any pain to the design is dope. The functionality is also dope. So I give it a 9,999. So overall, I give it a 9.8 everything. So if you are looking forward to get an earpod, you are tired of using earpiece, wired earpiece, just tangling all over there. So I know the pain of untangling your earpiece. So to get this is actually because 3,500 naira. I'll drop the link to get it in the description. I'll find. I actually got mine from Jumia. You can actually try out Jumia, but if you're not using Jumia, I'll try and find other links to other stores like Tonga. I'll try and find links and drop it in the description. Thanks for watching this video today, guys. Catch you in the next video. Peace. Come on, switch the camera.